A very warm welcome everyone. Welcome to HM Learnings. In this video, I will give you brief to the topics which we will cover in the series of cardiovascular physiology. Do subscribe my channel for more videos on medical science. Cardiovascular physiology is a very important unit because lot of questions are being asked from this unit and in many ways. Like very long answer questions can be framed, short answer questions can also be asked, and unlimited viva questions can be made from this unit. So it becomes compulsory to know this unit fully. We will deal with this unit under the following topics. Firstly, we will discuss the cardiac muscle, its properties like the Frank-Starling law, automaticity, refractory period, and so on. Then we will cover the electrophysiology of heart, that is the action potential in the cardiac muscle, the types of action potential, fast response, slow response, pacemaker potential. Then the conducting system of heart, the conducting pathways, what is AV nodal delay, what is the significance of AV nodal delay, depolarization pattern, repolarization pattern in the heart. Then the pumping action of the heart, that is the cardiac muscle. Different phases of cardiac muscle, the graphs of cardiac cycle, timing, pressure, volume, loop, different terms like the stroke volume, end systolic volume, end diastolic volume. Then we move to the next topic, cardiac output. The definition of it, measurement, how it is regulated, and what are the factors which can affect the cardiac output. The heart rate, regulation, as well as we will discuss the pulse in it. Then the hemodynamics. What are the principles, relationships, formulas, what are the types of the blood flow, and then a very important topic, blood pressure. Definition, its types, how it is regulated, short-term regulation, long-term regulation, and the factors which are affecting the blood pressure. Then the another is the regional circulation. Regional circulation means circulation through the different regions of the body, like the cerebral circulation, coronary circulation, cutaneous circulation, fetal circulation, how the circulations are different from each other. Then the pathology of the heart, like what is heart failure, what are the types of heart failure, what is valvular heart disease, what are the causes of it, what is regurgitation, what is stenosis, what are the conduction disorders, type 1 heart failure, type 1 heart block, type 2 heart block, then the hypertension, and then lastly shock. So this is the introduction to the cardiovascular physiology. You can see it is a vast unit and it really takes time to finish it. But HM Learnings will try to make this unit very simple. It will clear all your concepts as well as we will provide you notes. So you don't need to worry about the notes. My upcoming series will be on the long answer questions, and this series will be in English as well as in Hindi, and it will cover all very important topics of physiology, and it will also provide the notes. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it to not miss any video. Till then, keep learning.